So in this video I'm talking about incremental jog. What incremental jog is that you use your normal jog buttons, these axes buttons, to press either X, Y or Z. But each time you press it, you still control the speed by this potentiometer as you normally would in jog. But depending on which increment you set, it just moves by that amount. And it's very, very useful when you're setting up. If you're clocking something and you just want to move small amounts, you can keep pressing and pressing without any worry of going too much. And you can sort of refine it by going to smaller and smaller jogs. So you've got the 1000, that's all in microns. So 1000 is a millimeter, 100 is 0.1. and then 10 is 10 microns, 0.01, and then finally you've got 1 micron. That one where it says VAR, variable, what that actually does is you can decide what that increment is. So you'll see in this video just after this where you set that, and you can set that to whatever you want it to be. You can set it to 9 mil, 10 mil, whatever you want. It doesn't have to be a small amount, it can be as big as you like. Don't forget to switch this off when you're finished with it, because obviously if you forget, then you'll be pressing the jog buttons and thinking, why doesn't this work? All the other rules apply the same, using your permission buttons and all that to get this to move. So that's called incremental jog. It's not on every control, it's quite rare on a Fanuc control. Siemens always have it, and Heidenhain usually has it as well. So it's called incremental jog. Say jog, and then we look into settings, it comes up with that screen, and that is an integer. In other words, this number, sorry, the 100 means 100 microns, so that's 0.1 per click. So that variable increment will now be that.